now. When the story first broke, they were saying that the little ones didn't make it because they froze in the car because it was freezing temperatures. So I did do an update to that in one of my last lives. So there has been an update. As of the last update that I seen was March the 13th. So now there is an investigation to see if anything criminally happened. So there is the autopsy. They did an autopsy of the ones, and it revealed that they did not freeze. They didn't make it due to carbon monoxide poisoning. So they are doing an investigation right now.